MyDreamTeam Builder is a social networking platform used to facilitate project team assembly. The platform provides the opportunity to better understand the assembly behaviors of people through the application of communication theories and the analysis of digital trace data. The Sonic Lab has designed matching and ranking algorithms to provide theoretically driven recommendations for team membership. To create a project, log in with your admin credentials. If you have not registered yet, you can do so by clicking here. After you log in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all your projects and their details. You can filter and sort your projects using the options at the top of the page. To create a new project, click on the plus button in the Create a New Project box. To begin, upload the list of users who are going to participate in the project in the form specified in the sample file. You will have to list participants' first names, last names, and emails. Remember that each row of the file should contain the email address of the user. After you upload the file, you will see the list of users correctly added in the project. You can also add more participants after the project is created. Next, scroll down to set the parameters of your project. Here you will set the maximum and the minimum number of members your team will have. You will also set how many invitations teammates can send to others, when the survey should be completed by, when the team should be created by, and the name of your project. Check the search box if you would like users to have the ability to search for potential team members within the project. And check the notification box if you would like the system to send notifications to the users. Next, create your survey. You can select what categories and questions the participants are going to answer in the initial stage. Categories include personality, leadership, social connections, creativity, profile, skills, and domains. You can select more as well. In addition to the preset questions provided, you can create your own under the skills and domains categories. Alternatively, you can use an existing survey by clicking here. When you have inputted all your questions, click Create. After you finish setting up the project, the system will send an email to each user to either register or log in. You will now be directed to the details page of your project where you can launch your survey. Launching your survey will send users another email asking them to complete it. Your project is now in the survey stage. The overview page will show you the number of users enrolled in the project, the number of questions, and the survey deadline. You can also see how many people are still completing or have already completed the survey. The Project Control drop-down bar gives you a variety of options regarding your project. You can edit its parameters, extract project data, launch the survey and team stages when applicable, and clone or close a project. Extracted data take the form of several .csv files. Use the menu bar to navigate through the personal settings pages. The Users page shows each user in more detail. Here you will find a user's photo, full name, email, and status, indicating whether or not they have completed the survey. You can search for a user with the search bar located here. The wrench icon gives you the option to add and remove users, send notifications, and upload photos. After participants complete the initial survey, you can select Launch Team from the Project Control drop-down bar. Launching your team will send users a third email telling them to start exploring and searching for teammates. Your project is now in the team stage. By clicking on your project, you will be taken to the Overview page. This page now shows how many eligible users there are, how many teams have formed, deadlines you have set, and the latest users' activities. You can also see how many people have started forming teams and how many people are currently in a team. The circle below shows the number of teams with a particular team size. Hover over the circle to view this information. Once again, you can access a complete directory of the users with this tab. When the administrator launches the team stage, all user status will say individual. If they find a team, the status will be teaming. Once they finalize the team, the status will be finalized. The Teams page contains information on existing teams. Here you will find a team's type, who it is comprised of, and its status. A team's type refers to how a team was assembled. Admin assembled refers to the team being formed by the administrator without any kind of user invitation involvement. Partially assembled teams are created when the administrator modifies the self-assembled team by either adding new users or removing users from the team. A self-assembled team refers to a team assembled only by users' invitations. You can use these icons to add or remove a member of a team. Similar to before, you can search through teams, filter by team size, and create a new team. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You can learn more about MyDreamTeam here.